In this video, I'm going to show you how to make black bean brownies that are high in fiber, potassium, and about half the sugar of regular brownies. These are the ingredients you're going to need, and I'll talk about them as we mix them in. These are the chocolate chips that I like to use because they are allergen friendly, and then they're also vegan gluten-free. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then grease an 8 by 8 inch square baking dish. I like to use this instead of pre-bottled sprays, which sometimes can use additives like flour, and you basically just add any oil you want, pump, and spray. In place of eggs, we're going to use flaxseed, so mix together 2 tablespoons of ground flax with 6 tablespoons of warm water, and then set that aside to gel. We're going to add the wet ingredients to the food processor, so 15-ounce can of black beans drained and rinsed, 2 flax eggs, 3 tablespoons of oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So blend this until it's smooth, and usually I'll scrape down the sides just to make sure that the beans are pureed. Now we're going to add in the dry ingredients: 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a dash of salt. And then we'll blend that until it's smooth. Pour this into your prepared dish and make sure you spread it out so it's smooth. We're going to top the brownies with a 1/4 cup of semi-sweet dairy-free chocolate chips. You can also throw on chopped nuts or coconut flakes. Bake for 1 hour, and you'll know it's done when the edges start to pull away from the pan. And then make sure you let it cool for about 15 minutes once you take it out of the oven, otherwise it'll be too hot to cut. Once cooled, enjoy, and then you could store these in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below and let me know if anyone guessed that your brownies had beans in them.